Welcome to Uncle Jack's Outdoors. We are in Cass, West Virginia on a jeeping adventure. Mom and I are in Black Bear. We're going to check out Spruce Knob. But first we stopped to see the train leave here in Cass. Let's enjoy the day. We made it to Spruce Knob. We're going to hit the short hike here and check out the picture points. How to build a mountain. It's that easy.
I gotta read this.
Yeah. These boulders are pretty cool. I like the texture. Here we are at Spruce Knob, elevation 4,860 feet. Pretty incredible. All right, everybody, thanks for watching the video and for watching Uncle Jack's Outdoors. We did about 100 miles in the Jeep today, including Cass Scenic Railroad and Spruce Knob. Here we are at Devil's Backbone Rock Formation, just checking it out. Thanks for watching.